The tutorial will show you step by step how to add sensors to your location through the integrations menu. The steps demonstrated are generally the same for all sensor manufacturers. First, select the right manufacturer. Next, click on the plus symbol at the bottom right to add a new sensor. Initially, select the corresponding sensor model and then enter the unique identifier of the sensor. For MileSight devices, this is the EUI number found on the packaging. Other manufacturers may require the serial number, which is usually located on the back of the sensors. By clicking Create, you can now add the sensor to your location. However, it is advisable to directly connect it to the object where it will be measuring from now on. You have two options, either create a new object or connect the sensor to an existing one. To do this, simply select it from the list. If you want to create a new object, you must name it first. Ensure that others can clearly identify the object by its name. The name will later be displayed in the app, on the dashboard, and in reports. If you're working with areas, you can assign the object to a specific area. Additionally, you have the option to enter a description for the object. By clicking Create, the sensor will be added to the overview. Sensors that are no longer needed or have incorrect entries can be deleted using the trash can icon. A crucial tip: using sensors is in our opinion useless, unless you have set warning and intervention thresholds for an object. Without thresholds, the system cannot alert you to irregularities. We recommend heading straight to the Objects menu after you've finished integrating your sensors. There, you can set thresholds for all your objects. Check out our tutorial that shows how to set up warning limits and notifications.